Have you ever heard of NFTs? Are you curious about how it fares in the art and gaming worlds? If you're a newbie interested in making money with NFTs in 2022, today's video will undoubtedly be of assistance to you, so please sit back and relax as we dive into the world of NFTs. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2022. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method, so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below, it will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever you upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. First, let me give you a quick background on what is an NFT. NFT, or non-fungible token, is a digital commodity since it is digitally stored on a blockchain's ledger. You cannot physically own or touch it. Still, ideally speaking, it is already yours. For instance, if you bought digital artwork, it would be stored on your account and its possession would be transferred to you. By then, it's all up to you whether you're gonna keep it or sell it. It's already gained massive attention from gamers, art lovers, and tech enthusiasts worldwide. It gained popularity and its price has reached over $1 million. Now I bet you're interested in it. Keep on tuning in as we are now gonna tap the highlight of this video. Ways to make money with NFTs. Beginning first with digital works of art. NFT artworks are considered the most valuable NFT tokens ever created, as they would have a greater chance of profitability. Recently, a digital artwork entitled "Every Day the First 5,000 Days," created by Mike Wilkin or People, was surprisingly sold for a whopping $69.3 million. Imagine a simple collage of 5,000 digital images sold for over $1 million. It was sold from Christie's, an NFT auction house that first introduced the digital artwork bidding to the whole world. It also changed the history of blockchain technology and art forever, as people despise being an underrated artist. He already set the record for having the highest price rate for digital artwork. It would then be no doubt that if renowned artists like Banksy, who is known for street art and iconic works, if he would decide to auction his digital artwork, he would undoubtedly surpass the $69 million rate. NFTs are also considered modern solutions for artists since we face tough challenges wrought by the COVID-19 pandemic. Digital arts and online museums are now gaining popularity as we are using more online platforms. However, it doesn't likely mean that the physical arts are slowly diminishing. They still hold their significance in our lives. So how about you? Are you fond of making digital artwork? Maybe this is your chance to be a millionaire. The second way to profit off of NFTs are licensed collectibles. As you can notice, I started with digital artworks. Maybe you are wondering how to sell a collectible. So here, physical collectibles such as cards could also be formed digitally and could be traded as an NFT, as it considerably becomes the most natural and obvious application of NFT technology. Since digital cards are rare, their price can be much higher compared with their physical counterparts. Sports cards are so far the most popular type of NFT licensed collectible that is on its way to explosiveness. Recently, the NBA has just launched its NFT card collections for footballers, and other sports organizations would do the same sooner or later. With that, NFT would gain great numbers of collectors, specifically sports enthusiasts. Since we are all aware that physical collectibles are easy to damage, NFT is a great place to store your items, and it would surely never lose its quality. So what are you waiting for? Turn your collectibles into millions. But wait, NFT has a lot more to offer as we are approaching another way to make money using NFTs. Lastly, video games. Undoubtedly, NFT-based video games will surely hold the future of NFT technology as it's now gaining massive popularity. Considering that gamers are known for spending large amounts of money on virtual items, such as gold, loot boxes, and skins. As such, if any major video gaming company decide to start selling gaming NFT items, it would relatively impact both the gaming and the crypto world compared to licensed collectibles and digital artworks. In-game NFTs are the most advanced as they could be very complex, fully interactive, and change over time. For instance, by upgrading the level of the game or its players' characters. But here's the thing. The money you could earn from NFTs, whether on digital artwork, collectibles, or even video games, largely depends on how much someone is willing to pay for it. Since I already gave you the list of ways to make money using NFT, the question is now, what are the possible ways to market your NFTs? Make sure you're still tuning in, okay? Now, how to market your NFT project. Marketing your NFT is necessary to gain more possible buyers, and it will also increase the rate of your item. Indeed, a great way to start with it is by engaging in social media and content marketing. And here are the steps to do that. First, build your NFT community. Create an account on platforms such as Bitcoin Talk, Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Medium, and YouTube. With the mentioned platforms, you can start sharing factual information and post educational videos to make people interested in the essence of investing in NFTs. Moreover, making yourself immersed in community discussions, giving tips, and helping other members will definitely build trust among fellow members and possible buyers. Spreading important and reliable knowledge about how your NFT is different and outstanding other NFTs is a great tactic to convince buyers to choose your item. Since individuals are naturally diverse, it could be your advantage in reaching more possible buyers and increases the value of your NFTs as well. List your NFT on more than one marketplace. Moreover, aside from creating multiple accounts, you should also enlist your NFT to different marketplaces, as it would increase the chance of selling your item. Also, take into consideration the platform that you would choose if it would suit the scope of your NFT project. For example, the platform SuperRare is an NFT marketplace for single edition digital artworks. On the other hand, Engine is a marketplace for trading any blockchain assets. Next, conduct AMA sessions. Ask Me Anything sessions would also be beneficial to actively engage with other people to gain possible buyers. With that, you could use large Telegram chats and YouTube channels, which are considered the top preferred mediums to conduct AMA sessions. Similarly, offering rewards to community members for participating in your channels would also make them satisfied and give you positive feedback. Also, consider getting the help of influencers. Influencers also play vital roles in this kind of project as they have already established trust with other people. Collaborating with them would gain many supporters and buyers, as they could spread the news about your NFT on different social media platforms they belong. If that happens, you would surely witness an increase in the number of buyers that are willing to bid higher to buy your NFT. Build brand visibility via content marketing. Establishing a clear explanation by using simple words would be able to help you build your profile in the NFT market. You could use different available content marketing to educate buyers or other crypto members about your product. Use email marketing. Since most people are using online platforms, email marketing is a suitable way to keep your audience well informed about the latest happenings in your NFT marketplace. You could start with launch drip email campaigns for every new user. Send them welcome emails, inform them about every new sale made on your platform, share details about upcoming items or NFT products. Send them educational videos, notify them about different price trends, and many more. Apply different CRO strategies. Conversion rate optimization is a process that helps website owners or content creators to increase the viewers and participants of their channels. Indeed, it is a marketing practice that you could also use to get more sales. If you considered NFT marketplace to list your NFTs on different platforms, make sure that you also apply the CRO techniques, as it would increase the possibility of faster sales. Since NFTs are rising in popularity and there is an enormous amount of money flowing around these non-fungible tokens, is it still arguable whether it is considered a new form of marketing or is it still a passing fad? The only sure thing is that it could undoubtedly go viral for the upcoming future. It paves the way for easier profitability. The only advice I could give you is that investing NFTs is too risky. You should think twice before putting your hard-earned money into buying it. You should also be reminded that investing in NFTs is surely a gamble. It's either you'll win or lose. It depends solely on you if you're going to participate in this NFT gold rush. Alright, well, that wraps up today's tutorial. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.